areas like तुमच्या हितून म्हापशानूय आसा. So any suggestion from your side as far as Ardona is concerned? तुम्ही कशें CMR बद्दल सांगला?
No, it was unfortunate that in Mangur Hill that they found cases. But at the moment, our Honorable Minister for Health, along with the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod, have immediately done whatever is required to be done so that they can stop it spreading further. Of course, and talking about MAPSA, actually MAPSA, the thing was even the Health Secretary, Nila Mohan, she has clarified that it was all negative and there was a hype on that. Aldona, so far everything is safe, nothing has happened in my constituency. So thank God, everything is going good. But only we have to be careful, because whenever anybody comes from some other places, we have to be totally very watchful and immediately inform the police accordingly. If any outsiders come and so suppose their house at any place,
they're moving around
that we have to be very watchful, and our people are quite alert. In fact, all over Goa people are alert.
तुमच्या म्हापसा constituency houses are very common wall घालेली घरां. So how do you see, because such type of houses are even there in Manguri?
See, for the last 2.5 months, the government of Goa, headed by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, are doing their level best till this day to help Goa with regards to this COVID situation. At the same time, it is each and every one of our responsibility to make sure that we are able to do our part to contain the virus. So we all have our role to play. The government can only do so much. Ultimately, we have to decide whether we want to go out or stay indoors. So it is a request to each and every Goan, especially people in my constituency as well, unnecessarily not to go out, because you don't know where the virus is going to be. Right now, we are still, the graph is still peaking. The cases are increasing. So 36 cases in 34 cases in Vasco. It could be 30 cases or 50 cases in Mapsa, Aldona, Kalangoto, wherever it may be. We don't know till we go and test.
आता 8 तारखेर रिलॅक्सेशन जावपाचें आसलें सर्टन थिंग्स लायक आज मायकल लोबोन म्हटलें की आपूण इगोर्जे बिशपा कडेन उलयतलो डिले ओपनिंग ऑफ चर्चीस एज वेल एज टेम्पल्स. तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा, बिकॉज रिलॅक्सेशन जावचें वो तेजेर सर्टन आजुनूय रेस्ट्रिक्शनां उरची? वॉट इज युअर से?
I feel now since the rains are catching up, already rains have started, and this weather, is not that favorable for this particular coronavirus. I feel we should still take some more time, at least end of this month, June, and then ensure that that all the religious places and whatever other things with restrictions should be kept under lockdown. We should maintain the lockdown and we should not open up as of now till the end of June. That is at least my view, my personal view on the whole thing.
At the same time, just because a place is open doesn't mean you have to go. It is your decision to decide whether you really need to go. That tomorrow the mall can be open, but do I need to go to the mall is what I need to ask myself. So it is every individual's decision to reason and think whether he really needs to go to the mall or to the church. You can pray from home. We've been doing it for the last 2.5 months. To do it for another 1 month is also not a big deal. It is for our own good. So
would you tell your concerned authorities in Mapsa, like the deputy collector, the Mamladar and everybody, to seriously check on these houses and all in Mapsa area, which are very congested and all?
See, there are limitations on everything. The congested areas are very densely populated. That is why the transmission is easy in that area. So, like I said, the best for that kind of zone or that kind of place is to stay indoors. That is the only solution for them. Nobody can protect them, but they have a choice of protecting themselves by staying indoors.
So,
very smooth. In fact, the Goa government, the Chief Minister, the Industry Minister, the IDC, and all the GSI, the GCC has taken all precautions, and so far things are smooth as of now. But still, we have to be very careful and take all the precautions, especially like social distancing, face masks. All this should be maintained. It's very, very important. But today, all of a sudden, see what has happened in Mangur. You can never know, so all of us, every citizen has to take all the precautions to ensure that we all watchful and, fight this disease, because this disease is a pandemic. It could, this is endemic. Means it could be a part and parcel of our lives. They say so, but we have to take all the precautions and go ahead with it.
ना पण दोगांयकूय एक मेन इशू म्हणटा पळय तो म्हापसा मार्केट लागता. सो म्हापसा मार्केटाचेर कशें आसतलें आतां
So
सिट्युएशन?
we had planned to the vendor shuru kurpak, but due to this cyclone, we have decided to postpone it by another week. So based on how things go, we are still going to sketch the plan. Depending on the weather and how the cases are, we will decide whether to go ahead with it or keep it on hold. As of now, it has been approved in the council meeting that took place on Friday last week. So we had decided to certain areas to open the vending zones.
पण म्हापसान स्ट्रिक्ट गायडलायन्स घालपाची गरज आसा सद्याक. डू यू सी लुकिंग एट द सिट्युएशन नाव?
Yes, what happens is Mapsa, people don't understand, they look at it as a constituency, just Mapsa constituency, but Mapsa is the heart of Bardez. It's not only Mapshekar जे बाजारान वयतात, ते कुशीक जे गांवां आहा ते बाब ग्लेनाचे लोक थंय येतात, बाब मायकलाचे लोक थंय येतात, बाब विनोदाचे लोक थंय येतात, थियेचे लोक येतात. So there are people from all over Bardez, some even from Perne and Bicholim that come to Mapsa for shopping. So it is not Mapsa, ते सदांच म्हणटा Mapsa गर्दी पडटा. It is people from all over that come because that has been the hub for shopping and marketing for the last I don't know how many years.
So but what precautions? आता looking at this scenario,
Yeah.
precautions घालपाची तुमकां गरज पडना?
Yes, of course we need to take precautions. First of all, there are no vendors. There is a lot of vending happening around the market. In the market only the shops are open. आमी पुरोमेंताचे तांकां लोकल वेंडर जे आसले तांकां आमी फुडें बसयल्ले लायनीन इन म्हापसा.